Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can fit an image into a Canva frame using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to elements and here we will simply search for frame. Okay, we are into the all and let us select any of the frame, right? So for example, I have selected this one, right? Now I'm going to add an image into it, right? And main concern of creating this video is not adding the image into the frame. Main concern is how to fit the image into the frame, right? So here I'm just searching for couple. Okay, all, and here there are lots of photos available, right? And for example, I just select, drag and drop this image over here. Then as you can see, the lady is getting displayed but the man is not, right? Because this image has not been fitted properly into the frame, right? So how we need to fit this image? You just need to add the image into the frame first, then you need to double left click using your mouse, right? And this image would appear in such manner. Then you just need to drag, right? You can simply drag this image, and when you click outside, then as you can see, the image has been properly fitted into the frame, right? Now again I'm double clicking on the frame, right? And as you can see, the image is getting displayed. You can also resize the image. If you think that resizing the image would make the image fit properly into the frame, you can also do that, right? If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.